Hello friends and welcome back to the RD channel. Now this video is on unboxing and unpacking of Boya omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone. So let's see what the packing is all about. So this packing is basically a simple carry bag. Let's cut open and have a look. So here the box is there. It's from Boya, and the box packing is slightly bent away in the transportation, although the delivery was quickly fast in a matter of just a day. And its pricing on Amazon is around $14.75. It ranges from $1350 to $14.75 depending on when you buy it. So this is BYM1 product from Boya. And nowadays many duplicate products are available. Initially the same product was cost at around 2000 rupees, but now it is reduced in the Indian market. So in order to check the authenticity of this, we need to look at the code. This code has to be an authentic one in order to verify that this product is genuine, because many duplicate models have come up. Although this product is made in China, it is one of the best sellers in the microphone condenser varieties. So let's see what the product has to offer. There you have it. It has a bag from Boya, and so they've given some instructions on how to start on. We'll keep that aside. And apart from this bag, they've also given a couple of universal lavalier microphone BYM1, and a couple of instructions and troubleshootings have been given, and how to operate and go about using the mic. So that's it from the box, and so we place the box aside. So let's see what's inside the bag. So only the microphone is there. And so silica gel is there. Okay, so this is around 20 feet wire. It's quite long, and this seems quite pretty rich look compared to this. And if you can notice, they've given two options over here on camera, and second is off or smartphone mode. Okay, so whenever you're using with camera, you need to click it up, and whenever you're using with smartphone, get it down, or in order to off, you have to this thing. Now there is an actual engraving of Boya on this, and it is the 3.5 mm jack, which will easily go away with your DSLR cameras and also with your smartphones. And the main thing is that the cable is very long. It's pretty long. And here you have is the mic. The mic is pretty short and small. So we'll open the small bag. So this small bag contains around 4 things. It includes the 1/4 inch adapter, the microphone foam, the plugger clip, and small batteries included in this. So 4 things are there in this small bag. This is for attachment with your cameras and other devices. And this is your foam, which is to be attached over the mic. And so once the mic is get attached, you would apply the clipper over here, and you can easily tag it off on your shirt. And you have this button cell LR44, which is to be opened up in the device, and you're supposed to place the battery over here. So the battery goes up in the reverse direction. This is how you place the battery, and place the whole thing back. And this can also be clipped up there you have it. This is the voice that you are hearing from the omnidirectional Boya microphone. Now it's quite eliminating all the background sounds, and the voice quality, it's pretty good. But let's evaluate after the video editing how well it goes about. And do remember that the cord is quite 20 feet long, so it can get a bit messy. Don't end up opening the whole thing, otherwise you're gonna have a tough time packing it back. Thank you for watching RD channel.